Well, a family in Lafayette is getting some closure tonight after 2 years of grieving the death of John Byler.
In January of 2017, Byler was shot in an apartment on Center Street. One of the 3 people accused in the case was sentenced today. I was in the courtroom as Aaron Vance was handed 30 years in prison.
Their lives are tracking together. That's what Tippecanoe Circuit Court Judge Sean Person said about 2 of the people convicted in the death of John Byler. He was talking about similarities in their rough upbringing and lengthy criminal history with no real signs of change. That's partly why Person sentenced Wesley Hampton to 40 years in prison and Aaron Vance to 30. Adam Worthington has yet to be tried in the case. But according to court documents, the 3 of them went to this apartment on Center Street with the intention to rob John Byler. In the process, Byler was shot and killed. Though it's said to have been Vance's gun, Vance claims Hampton was the one who pulled the trigger. Byler's mother didn't care. She looked Vance in the eye and told him he was just as guilty for the murder of her son. Byler's sister talked about how much pain this has caused her family. Vance has been shot twice before this incident. Byler's sister said, quote, "Sadly, he survived," end quote. She said that should have been a wake-up call for him to change his life, but it wasn't. Byler's dream was to travel the world, and that opportunity was taken from him.
Well, Byler's family says he was known for his acts of kindness toward others. In remembrance of him, they do ask you to do something kind for someone else and encourage them to pay it forward.